Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to present the topic. My topic name is as management. First of all, we are listening this topic since childhood. That's why I am interconnecting all the topics as a merge way. First of all, I would like to mention what do you mean by management? Why is it mandatory for in our daily life as well as the students' life as well as professional too? First of all, I would like to mention management plays very important role in our life. If I talk about the student's perspective, if you have the ability to manage all the works in a proper manner, so you can able to manage your life very well, and whatever the targets you have decided in your life, you can easily achieve it because of the discipline, right? Management, if I talk about the management is an art. Management is an art to get the works by the process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. And you have the ability to coordinate all the things in a proper manner. First of all, I would like to mention what do you mean by planning and why is it necessary or mandatory in the daily way. Right? If I talk about the planning plays very important role, and you know very well if you have to know what do you want to do in a day, and whatever the task and target you have decided, which strategies do you want to opt for completing that target, and what's your target to be achieved in that a particular way. So in a simple way we can mention planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do, and when is to be done. Like if you have the ability, whatever the target or whatever the abilities, whatever the task you have to complete it in a day. First of all, if you know what is necessary and how is mandatory for that particular task for completing that, and when it's necessary for completing all the tasks in a proper or settled way. That's why in if I talk about the professional way, in the professional point of view, planning is very important, because if you are a part of any organization and you know if your senior uh, is giving any point of task, then you will have to know क्या task is completed at that particular date. So what's the target and what's the task, you should know in a proper and good way. If I talk about the organizing way, organizing is set of all the activities. If you know which type of activities do you want to convey in a proper and settled manner, so you are not able to face any type of problem, or you are not able to face any type of queries in front of anyone, right? If I talk about the staffing point of view, if you are running any part of organization and you know which type of candidate you want to hire, first of all you should know if any candidate you want to hire that have the ability or not. If any candidates who want to hire as a female perspective as a reception way, she has the ability for talking in a proper way or not, she has the knowledge about that particular field or not. So I would like to mention, if you're running any parts of organization, first of all you have to gain your knowledge, first of all you will have to enhance the knowledge, after that you will have to run in a proper way. If I talk about the discipline and if I connect the discipline as well as management topic, discipline plays very important role in our life. If you, the word is very one word, but if I talk about the importance of that, if you decided whatever the task or target you will have to do, if you decided at once, right, that the target completion, you automatically gain the confidence level also, right? If you inbuild your confidence from the starting point, definitely whatever the task and whatever the problems you face, definitely you will achieve it, right? Now I would like to mention some importance of education, because we know education plays very important in our life. If you take good education, definitely you have the you build the confidence level also. So whatever the career option you want to select, first of all you should know the importance of education also. If you are if you belong to a CBSE student, that you will have to enhance the particular knowledge. If you want to make a career as a pilot, then you will have to strong your command on that particular phase. If you want to make a career in the field of management, then you will have to enhance your knowledge as a particular way. If you want to make a teacher in the government or private organization, you will have to enhance your knowledge on that particular way. So if you really want to make a career as a professional way, first of all decide why do you want to choose, right? Really are you interested, or anyone is insisting to make a career on that particular way? If you really interested for that particular way, definitely you will give a 100%. But if anyone insisting you for doing this, then whatever the efforts you are doing, right, at the output of nil, because you are not, you whatever you are giving the effort, it's not 100%. So in the present scenario, I am also seeing the women education perspective. Women education plays very important role in our life too, because if you give the education for girls and women, definitely it will be improve our economy rate also, right? If any women have the ability for teaching as well as managing all the things in a proper manner, it's only a single word. But if I talk about the hers families interconnection, or hers families child connection, that we can easily able to understand कि if female manages all the things in a simple or settled manner, their children also directly or indirectly build a confidence level. If they understand our mother is doing professional as well as personal work very awesome way. So if as a female, if I run any women wants to get really joined as an army or organization or private organization as a professional organization, really I inspired a lot, because I know as a female perspective, you face a lot of problems or struggle in our life. If you have the ability to manage as a financial way as well as a professional way, definitely whatever the task or whatever the decision you want to choose, definitely you will choose it, and because of that your confidence automatically increases day by day, right? Because if if your family wants to take any type of help from your side, and without saying yes or no, definitely you are doing on that a simple help, definitely you inbuild the confidence as you as well as your family members also. So if you are a financially independent, whatever the decision you are taking, it's your, because if you are financially independent and you have the ability to convey all the things in a proper manner, everyone, whatever you want to convey, everyone should be listen, everyone is listening properly whatever you are saying, right? I will mention, because of the good women education, you can improve our economic growth also, right? Our GDP, NDP, all the financial output you can easily maintain it. Because of women education, you can improve our poverty also. Because of women education, you can improve your family background also. If you really are passionate, if you have the really passionate about your professional career, so first of all, you have decided whatever you are doing in your career perspective, you should give your best effort. Apart from that, whatever you want to do, you can do it. But if any female if any female is taking the education, definitely the all the India's perspective or all the education perspective will be increasing more and more, and it will be the good for the economy as well as GDP point of view. That's all.
What would like as a role in society always say that women are there, they should not go outside for cooking, males are meant for working.
Because in my perspective, if you give the equal opportunities for the female perspective, definitely they have the ability for proving as comparison to the male. They have the effort for showing all the things, and they have the ability for doing the things very well. So that's why I would like to mention, if government provide a good opportunities for the female also should know all the awareness of that particular scheme and should also be a part of that and give your best effort from that. Yeah, I really believe the word of equality, because if you know the female perspective, if you know the male perspective, right? Female has the more ability for doing the works and achieving the targets in a better way. Right? If you give the chance, definitely they will prove it. And definitely, yeah, many of the organization, right, in the present scenario, many of the organization are giving the best opportunities for the females. But if I talk about the personal way, many Indian families perspective is, if you give the more education as a professional way, definitely the girl will be get married in the future way or not. I don't know what's the fear of their mind perspective, but this is not true, I think.
But many people are after getting married, they want to work.
Yeah. Yeah, of course it is right, because financially independent is plays very important role in today's scenario. If I say any male, you don't want to get a work after marriage, is it true according to you? It's not true, right? So as a female point of view, as a female perspective, if any female is really passionate about that work, definitely she will have to do it at anyhow. Yeah, if you have the ability. No. Children doesn't suffer a lot. Children get the from the child since childhood. They inspired a lot from their parents because they have the ability for managing personal as well as professional things proper way. Whatever the time, sir, quality and quantity. You listen that word. If you give the quality, that plays very important role. If you get the quantity and you are not able to properly guide in a mind perspective, that's also doesn't work. That's why from childhood, since childhood, you will have to give the quality work. Whatever the time you will have to give it with full joy. That's all about it. It will be in the present scenario. Many options are available in the market. If you don't have time from morning to evening, many organizations provide the day-to-day home just like us. Is it good? It's good. Because if you don't have any family member, right, that platform.
When the children do the same as an old age, the people say it's not.
Sir, old age, you have the ability to think, right? But if I talk about that areas, all the children are living there, and they learn from the practical point of view, right? If any teacher want to convey one, right, and the teacher is using one with the help of any fruits, with the help of any toys, with the help of any, so on that particular time they are learning. They are learning. That's why this good. If you want to really provide a good education and if you really want to see your child in a better condition, whatever you are suffering from that age, you really don't want to see your child is facing that type of problem, definitely you will have to sacrifice. You will have to do sacrifice. After when the children will grow, after few years, only 1 and 2 years children has to suffer that type of problem, and if the family support is available, that problem is also a very nil, right? If you have the family support, if you have the family member supportness, then definitely don't have to go here and there from your children. But if you don't, then after that you will have to choose it, because if you think I am available all the time with my children, it's not possible, sir. If after 2 or 3 years, right, you really want to give your children best school, but you don't have any financial power, how will you send it? On that time you will realize, if I will earn. So everything will be possible if you have the lots of money, but the other person is also enhance our knowledge. Other person is also the free, also the life of doing whatever he or she wants. Not so you. If I say to any male, you don't have to go here and there, and you will have to sit home and teach your child only that. Any female is adopt that type of way or not? Will adopt that type of way or not? I am asking to you this. Please do. Who said this? What? Yes, if any male want to opt that life, very good. If any female want to opt that life, very good. If any female want to really a professional, why? Why? God has also made it. According, sir, every individual has a different perception, but my perception is this: if both the person are doing work for the improving our financial condition, because if you are sitting alone, if you are sitting, I am talking about myself. Yeah. But she always guide me. You will have to do work. You don't have to sit at home. You will have to do work, because my mother also faced a lot of problem because of the homemaker. That's why I don't want to do. Many of the females also suffered lot of things. But if you have the ability for doing something different, then you will have to show it in the front of family as well as in the front of country. That you should do. You don't have to bound any things. You are female or you are male, you will have to do, and you don't have to do this. Is not true according to me.